Now we'll be looking into some of the common mistakes that we make. We always use social media platforms, right? So how can we tell that I am active on Instagram? On Instagram. She posted a picture on Facebook. On Facebook. The tutorial is available on YouTube. On YouTube. He shared a video on Twitter. On Twitter. And whenever we wanted to use on or in the case of transport, is it public transport or private transport system, how will we use? Examples are I am on the bus. On the bus. If it is a public transport system, we will use on the bus, on the train, on the plane, on the ship, like that. And if it is a private owned vehicle, we'll be using I am in a car, I am in a taxi, I am in a cab, I am in an auto rickshaw. She's on the train. He is in a helicopter. They are on motorbikes. These are the uses. And whenever we wanted to use by foot versus on foot, by foot and on the foot usage is mentioned here. I went to the market on foot. I went to the market on foot. He came to the park on foot. He came to the park on foot, it is. This is the correct way of using. Now I'll be giving you some fresh examples for sentences. I watched the match on YouTube yesterday. On YouTube. We uploaded the document on Google Drive. On YouTube, on Google Drive. She's on the metro to work now. On the metro. I am in a cab heading to the airport. In a cab. He traveled to the office on a bicycle. On a bicycle. They are on a plane to London. On a plane to London. I reached the temple on foot this morning. On foot this morning. She went home in an auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw. In an auto rickshaw. The video is trending on Instagram. On Instagram, since it is a social media platform, on Instagram. I am on a bike following you. I am on a bike following you. These are the fresh examples. Kindly look into this.